Dear students, in this unit, we will talk about the mutualistic relationship of fungus with the animals. Both fungus and animals can live in a mutualism, in a kind of relationship where both these organisms can benefit from each other. This kind of beneficial relationship is known as mutualism. Now, several animals, they have evolved to have close contact with the fungus and get benefits from them. Um, Among the many examples, one of the fascinating animal, which is known as arthropods, they are believed to have a very close relationship with the fungi in order to get benefits as well as in order to benefit those fungi as well. Now, these arthropods, they depend on the fungus for protection from the predators and pathogens. When they have a coat of these fungus on their skin or on their shell, these predators, they cannot eat them. Thus, they are saved by the presence of fungus. And in return, the fungus obtain the nutrients and they act as a way to disseminate the spores of fungus. So animals help them in the spread of spores into far distance places in the ecosystem. Now, when we talk about the higher animals, for example, grazing animals, most of the grazing animals, they feed on the plants as well as grass and leaves. Now, they don't have the ability to digest these cellulose containing food, and they need nutrients from those these grass and these plant species. Now, in this system, there comes the fungal groups which have special kind of enzymes which helps in digesting these complex carbohydrates like cellulose and convert into simpler forms which these animals can easily absorb and can be used as the source of energy or food for them. Now, this helps the animal in the conversion of this into the simpler forms, and fungi also gets benefits from those animals because it stays in the nutrient-rich environment, and it can get that nutrients as a source of food as well. As you can see here, the example of one of the arthropods, many species of colonial insects, including ants. For example, as you can see here, the ants is carrying the leaves which it cuts and takes it into its colonies. Now, this leaf is not a source of food for the insects. Rather, they inside the colony, they have farmed different types of fungus, and they provide these leaves to those fungus, and in return, these fungus helps and protect and save the lives of these insects. Now, the ants use these fungi and to feed their larvae, which then can grow into the adult forms. So in this relationship, both ants as well as fungus, they get benefit from each other. Now, other than the becoming the source of producing nutrients to the animals, fungi can also get benefits from them. They use them as a source to disseminate their spores from one place to the other place. Now, for that, sometimes these fungi, they secrete or produce some kind of sweets which lures the insects to come to them. And when they come to the source of those sweets, the spores can stick to their legs and can move from one place to the other. So this helps the fungus to disseminate their spores and successfully adapt to the different ecosystems. So this kind of mutualistic relationship also exists between fungi as well as animals.